Butter chicken is a popular Indian dish that is made with marinated chicken pieces cooked in a creamy tomato sauce. Here's a recipe to make butter chicken at home. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Half teaspoon turmeric. Half teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt to taste. 1/4 cup ghee or butter. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 teaspoons garam masala. 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 cup heavy cream. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix together the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, cumin, coriander, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and salt. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and toss to coat with the marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or up to 24 hours. In a large skillet or saucepan, melt the ghee or butter over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the garam masala to the pan and stir to combine with the onions. Add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Add the diced tomatoes to the pan and stir to combine with the chicken. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes or until the tomatoes have broken down and formed a thick sauce. Pour in the heavy cream and stir to combine. Reduce the heat to low and simmer the sauce for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and the flavors have melded together. Garnish the butter chicken with chopped fresh cilantro and serve hot with steamed rice or naan bread. Enjoy your delicious homemade butter chicken.